Hello, good evening. May breaking news tayo ngayon. Nahuli na po yung mastermind sa pagpatay sa isang Korean businessman sa Pilipinas noong 2016. Dinukot nila yung businessman na yan, si Jo Ik-ji, sa kanyang bahay at sinasabi nga nila na may isa daw siyang drug lord. Kaya hinalughog ang kanyang bahay, ngunit wala silang nakitang droga, kaya humingi sila ng pera sa Koreano pero walang maibigay yung Koreano, kaya dinala na lang siya sa Camp Crame at doon nga nila pinatay yung kawaawang Koreano. At yun nga, humingi ang mag-asama dyan, humingi pa sila ng ransom money sa kanyang asawa kahit na pinatay na nila yung Koreano at nung hindi nga maibigay nung Koreano na yung kabuuan dahil half lang yung binigay sa kanya, binigay ng Koreana sa kanila, sinunog or crinimate yung bangkay ng kanyang asawa at flinas sa inodoro. So napaka walang hiyat, napaka demonyong mga pulis ang mga yan. So maraming salamat naman at nahuli na nga siya para mabigyan na ng hustisya ang pagkamatay ng kawaawang Koreano. So pakinggan nyo po yung briefing or yung interview kay Junbik Rimulya tungkol dun sa pagkahuli ng kanya ay ng pulis na yan na mastermind sa pagpatay, karumal-dumal na pagpatay sa isang Koreano sa Pilipinas noong 2016. So kung gusto nyo pong gusto nyo mapanood yung whole kung paano ba nangyari, ano bang nangyari dun sa araw na yun, tingnan nyo lang po or mayroon na po akong in-upload dyan sa aking channel na video or interview din tungkol dun sa nangyaring pagpatay sa Koreano na yon. So pakinggan nyo po yung interview ni Junbik Rimulya.
Operatives of the Philippine National Police successfully arrested Police Lieutenant Colonel Rafael Dumlao. He was arrested in a house in Pasong Tamo, Quezon City, pursuant to a warrant of arrest issued by the court. Dumlao was convicted in connection with the 2016 kidnapping, extortion, carnapping, and killing of South Korean businessman Ji Ik-ju inside Camp Crame. Ayon sa witness yung witness ng murder na to, ay kinidnap niya, sinubukan humingi ng pera. Nung hindi nagbigay ng pera ang Koreano, sinakal siya, sinunog yung katawan, kinremate, tas finlash sa toilet. In September 2024, the Court of Appeals reversed the decision of the lower court, found him guilty, sentencing him to reclusion perpetua, and ordered his immediate arrest without bail. On June 30, 2025, the Supreme Court denied Dumlao's petition and other legal remedies, effectively affirming his conviction and exhausting all available judicial recourse. This morning's operation is a clear demonstration of the government's commitment to enforce the law and implement court decisions. The Philippine National Police acted in accordance with its mandate, and the arrest sends a strong message that no one is above the law, regardless of rank, position, or former authority. We commend the teams for the safe and successful implementation of the warrant and assure to the public that the DLG and the PAP is now in the road to serious reform. That even though Colonel Dumlao was one of their own, he was not put above the law. The institution is not perfect, but the road towards a more trustworthy PNP has now begun. Questions? General Natatus will give the